Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this quick hack to do this French twist hairstyle in under 2 minutes. First, divide the hair in half, and working on the right hand side we're just going to sweep this up into a high ponytail at the middle of the back of the head and secure it with an elastic band. Then we're going to place a clear elastic band a few inches from the bottom, and then on the last turn only pull the ends part way through to create a loop. This just makes pinning easier. And all we're going to do is turn that little loop underneath and hold it to the nape of the neck and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Now we're going to sweep the hair on the left hand side over the top of that little loop we've just created, twisting it towards the head. Then we're just going to slip a pin through that twist to keep it secure, and then with the ends I'm just going to wrap these around my fingers and then just tuck them up inside that twist and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. So now we've just got to cover the bottom, so I'm just going to move the hair down a bit with my fingers, and then starting from that left hand corner just sweep the hair over with your fingers and then just tucking the ends inside as you go, so just rolling them underneath and securing with a few bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.